Hello guys, so in our project file I've actually added a little bit of setup to this and I'll explain what I added. So here we just have our color ramp and we're passing that into the mix shader. Basically this is going into the factor of the mix shader. So what I did was add a mix color. So go to add color, mix color, and I added a Fresnel. So I'm taking the results of the mix shader into the index of refraction for the Fresnel, and I dragged out a bump and taking that factor or the color output into the height, and now I'm going to take that factor into the factor here. So what this does is create a much more solidified surface on top. So in case you want to do something like a physical object that has that color, I'll just change this one to make it super greenish like that. You can see how that looks, and we can also still play around with our settings here to make this look quite interesting. Right, so that's just a little addition. You don't have to do this, you don't have to add this, but this is a it gives it this solid look, like there's some object on the surface. And we can do things like even mix this with another value using a gradient, but I'll just leave it like that because I don't want it to be too complex. So again, all we just need to bring this back, we'll just pass this into our factor and we'll be back to our default settings, and we don't need these ones, just to show you what I actually did there in case you open up the project files and don't understand what's there. Alright guys.